I'm so excited to oh shit. So that does not mean gonna work not for me. I'm so excited. Okay, back to track. What's up guys, how are you all doing? And if you guys are new here or first time with this film, hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Susmita Pokhrel, and guys, how are you all doing? And guys, I am so excited for this video. I usually always excited to do YouTube video.
A few moments later,
I'm so excited to do this video guys, because this video gonna be the helpful video for you all, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because I am gonna share with you my monthly favorite products, skincare and makeup. And you guys know I have purchased lots of new makeup and skincare products this month, so I have lots of products to share with you guys and give you my experience and my thoughts. So it's gonna be like mini review as well. Let me clear one thing, okay? If these products does not work for me, that does not mean gonna not work for you as well, okay? Might be these products are gonna work for you, okay? So guys, I'm just only sharing my experience and my thoughts. Yes, basically my experience, okay? So I'm using all the products like in this month, like regularly, some products regularly, some like oftenly, you know, like yes, basically I'm using this all products, and I have my experience with these all products, different experience. So if you guys want to know what are my this month's favorite products and what are not my favorite and not good for me, so then you know you have to watch my full video. Then keep on watching, and for the delay, let's get to the video now. Right, the first product is this Skin Diva 20% Vitamin C plus E plus Fluoric Acid Serum. Okay guys, if you guys have followed me on Instagram, you guys know, okay, when I have purchased this serum guys, and this serum is good, okay? We all know vitamin C serum is good for our skin, but I would not recommend this to use on if you have active pimples. But if you have like just only acne scars, then you can totally use this serum. It will help you to dry off this acne scars. It helps to brighten your skin. I use this serum when I don't have like active pimples around my face. I don't use this serum those days when I have lots of breakouts, acne pimples, I mean like active pimples. This serum is so good to use on uneven skin tone, acne scars. So yes, this serum is good. You can use this serum in the morning as well. So yeah, that's my thoughts. This is actually not my favorite products, but I like this product. And the next product is this makeup remover. This makeup remover. What the hell? This makeup remover is so good, you guys, because I do have very sensitive skin, and I use this makeup remover to remove my face makeup as well, not only my eyes and lips, basically whole face. And this works so good guys, so good. This is no added fragrance, no alcohol, so it's totally safe to use when you even have breakouts, you know. So this is my favorite, and you can see how much I have used. I'm almost about to finish, and I'm gonna buy big size this time, and this is so very safe to use if you are prone to have breakouts. Okay, next is this Garnier Skin Natural Light Complete Eye Roll On Anti-Puffiness Instant Freshness Eye Cream. Look at this packaging though. This packaging is so cute. Guys, let me talk about this product. This is like fun to use, you know, eye roller, but I haven't seen any good stuffs yet. I use this in the morning sometimes. I'm not saying this is bad product, but I haven't seen good stuff yet. So this is that. And next is this Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara Style and Comb. This product is my favorite product because this brow gel is so cheap and works so good. You guys have seen, maybe I used to use this brow gel like in every single video, every single day I use this, and it works so good, you guys. And if you are looking for like a brow gel, it gives you like a very natural brows. Even if you are doing with deep brow pomade, you can just comb with these and you're gonna see a very good feathery brows. So this is kind of cheap and works so amazing. I was just surprised. I used to use this Anastasia clear brow gel. Anastasia one is so expensive, okay, but this one is like amazing. So I would definitely recommend this one because this is just only 290 or 390, I think 290 rupees only. So this is good. Next is this VLCC Natural Science Lavang Moisturizer, normal to oily skin for non-greasy radiance skin. So guys, this one is not for me. This product does not work for me because I do have very sensitive skin and it smells so hard, so I quit using this. I use this on my body, on my hand, because I don't want to waste this, but not on my face. And I would not recommend this if you have sensitive skin, like pimples on your active pimples on your face, a sensitive skin, don't use this. And if you are sensitive to smelling products, then this is not for you. It smells so hard, so no, this is cheap, but I used to use this on my hands. So yeah, and let's move on. So guys, next is this, my favorite hyaluronic acid serum from Gene Botanics. You can see how much I have used, you know, and this is so jam, like so jam. I mean, it works so good. I use this in the morning, at night, you know. I use this like when I washed my face and dry face. I use this just only 1 or 2 drops. You don't even need to use so much, just 1 or 2 drops and just all over your face, and it absorbs so quickly and works so good. I mean, I just love this product. This is my favorite product. And oh, another one is skincare, and this Gene Botanics Night Therapy Oil. Therapy oil is my favorite guys. These days I'm just fall in love with this night like facial oils, because guys, we have a myth, you know, that if you have oily skin, acne prone skin, you don't need to use moisturizer or any facial oils. This is not true, guys. You have to use moisturizer in gel base, and the facial oils also, facial oils which does not clog your pores, because oily skins and acne prone skins have open pores. So yes, you have to look for these things only, but other than that you can use facial oils. And these facial oils is, oh my god, you guys, I use these facial oils at night. After this serum, I use this like 2 to 3 drops and all over my face, and next morning I feel my skin very smooth and like I feel so fresh and so glowy, smooth face. It helps to remove your dark spots, acne scars, and wrinkles. I have seen so many good things when I start using this. So yes guys, I am loving this product. Okay, let's talk about some makeup items. So the first makeup item is this Essence Prime Plus Studio Mattifying Plus Pore Minimizing Primer with Black Clay. Okay, are you guys looking for a cheap, good primer? This is for you all because it helps to minimize your pores. I love this primer. This Benefit Professional Primer is expensive, and if you are looking for dupe, then you can find a Maybelline Pore Eraser. Again, if you are looking for the dupe for Maybelline Pore Eraser Primer, this is exactly dupe for that primer. I will definitely gonna buy this more. And next is this Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. If you have seen my this Essence wala haul video, then you know this mascara is so good. I have fallen in love with this mascara at just only first years. So this mascara is so good. If you are looking for like cheap and a good mascara, this is so good mascara. I love this mascara. So and this is kind of cheap as well, and this is my favorite mascara. And the next thing is also from Essence, all about matte fixing compact powder. This powder is so good. Basically, if you have oily skin, you need this. This is very affordable as well, and this works so good as well. So what are you waiting for? If you are like limited budget, go and get this. This works so good for my skin. And the next thing is this Essence Luminous Matte Bronzing Powder Lighter Skin. Guys, this bronzer is so good, but I think the only thing I don't like about this is you don't get lots of different shade, you know. When I bought this, there is only one shade. Luckily I matched this shade, but if you have like darker skin, it won't be match for your skin. But if you have like my skin tone, this works so good, and it's very affordable and very good bronzer. If you are looking for affordable and good bronzer, this is so good bronzer. I have used Hola bronzer, like this Physician Formula Butter Bronzer, and this bronzer is so good. And I'm like a bronzing person, so I like to use bronzer like every single day. So yes guys, I'm using this like every single day as well, and this bronzer is so good. It blends so easily, but in comparison to price, it works so good. Okay, and next is this Essence Good Sydney eyeshadow palette. Guys, this eyeshadow palette is so good. The shades are also so pretty. You can get a lot of shade range, what you want to pick, and these shades are so pigmented, so easy to blend these eyeshadows. So I just love this eyeshadow palette, and the shimmery shade are also so pigmented, okay, so pigmented. And the comparison to price, I was just so shocked at first, because look at this packaging though. Packaging is also came with the mirror and so pocket size. I love this eyeshadow palette. And okay, I think we are almost done. This is the last product. Last but not least, this Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder. Guys, this compact powder is so good. If you have like oily skin, I don't know it will work for dry skin or not. I don't know about normal skin as well, but if you have like oily skin just like mine, and if you have like pores, if you have oily skin, you definitely have pores on your T-zone area. This literally blurs out your pores. So this compact is so good, and I will definitely recommend this compact. Good. These two are my favorite compact. These two are so good. Which one you want to pick, you can pick. This one is very affordable. This one is also very affordable comparison to this MAC Studio Fix and other compacts. So yes guys, I think that's all for today's video guys, and thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and find this video helpful. I hope this video gonna help you to find out good products for you, because if you want to buy something, first at least you should check reviews. Have to check reviews, because you don't want to waste your money on unnecessary or not good product. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and if you love this video and want to see more kind of this video, also leave comment and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well to see more amazing helpful content. And stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay happy guys. So bye bye, love you all, see you on the next video.